Just wrapping up our training with Jen, and I definitely can say it's a time well spent. Me being a bigger guy, I'm not used to a lot of people giving me major pressure problems. They start coming between skill levels, training, but to meet Jen, I've always watched him on YouTube for the past few years and seen different things, and I've been the type of person where I might see something, but I want to feel it. I always say that you have to show me in order for me to believe. Well, Jen definitely did that. With me, part of one of the little idea is to be able to generate great force efficiently from the ground. I've been able to generate great force, but not efficiently. And after being taught by Jen, definitely not from the ground. But also you get the ability to learn the skill to also be able to handle force and send that to the ground. That has been the greatest eye-opening experience for me, and it's been a life-changing experience. With the fact of being able to train in a heightened state of emotion, a heightened state of awareness, and to be able to bring all that out subconsciously without being focused on techniques or style, it's been something I've never encountered before. Definitely something I'll recommend that anybody come out and experience for themselves. If this is not something that Jen will show you, you'll feel and say, wow, this is great. He'll not only show it to you, but he'll also show you how to produce that same thing through the concepts. So I definitely encourage you to reach out to him and train hard.